Hi guys, this video is about wastewater treatment game and how to play. You can find different materials like cards, rules, game pieces, coins and game board. As you can see in the game board, there are 8 stages of treatment. You can find different material spaces on the game board. Choose the game pieces of your choice and put on start space and treatment tank. To win the game, player need to finish all the stages. Each stage of the game needs specific materials or equipment which can be purchased. Roll the dice and move on the space on the game board. To start the process, you need a permit which costs you 4 coins. While rolling the dice, if you come on the bar screen, you can purchase the card with 2 coins and complete the stage 1. If you land on quality check, pay 2 coins. However, if you are short on coins, there is no need to pay for the quality checks. You can collect 2 coins if you pass from the start space and collect 6 coins if you land on project fund. The cost of different materials or equipment required to complete the stages shown on the cards. Like bar screen costs 2 coins, clarifier costs 2 coins, sedimentation tank costs 5 coins, UV light costs 4 coins. So move on, purchase the materials and complete all the stages to win the game.